Hey, it's James again. In this mini moment, I'd like to talk about brokenness. I've got this broken bowl here, and I think it can really symbolize us as people. Sometimes we're broken, we've had things happen to us, issues with our families, our friends, anything can happen. And sometimes we feel that we can't be used by God due to all the brokenness in our lives. It's a lot like this bowl here that got shattered into a bunch of little pieces. We can't use it. But what's amazing is that God takes our brokenness and He pieces us back together, no matter how small the pieces and how many there are. He takes each broken piece and uses them to make us into something that He can use for His will. We might not think that we can be used by Him, but He has a plan for us no matter how far away or how broken you believe you are. And now, He can use us to bless others in our day-to-day lives. Just like my brother and I used this bowl to eat some popcorn, even though he kept trying to hog it. Thanks for watching this mini moment, and I hope you have a great day.